How to change Epic Games reason. Let's get started. Launch your Epic Games app, or also you can log into your Epic Games account in the web version. Once logged in, you will land to this kind of interface. Now at the top right, you will find this icon. Click on it. With that, different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of account. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now over here, you're going to find different options. Click on the option of account settings. Now you have to scroll down. You will find this section for address, and under that you will find the option of country or region. Click on that drop down. You're gonna find different country options. Go ahead and select the option that is suitable for you. Select the country option that you wanna set for your account. Once you are done with selecting the country, you are also able to add the address. Likewise, you can type in the city name, postal code, and so on. Once you provide all the details of your address, you can click on the option of Save Changes, and with that your address will be updated in your Epic Games account. Changing countries might mean different privacy rules for your account, and you might not be able to use some features. Go ahead and click on the option of Confirm. With that, you have just changed your region for Epic Games account. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can easily change region on Epic Games account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.